Viewing your payment history on BigCommerce is essential for tracking your transactions and managing your finances. Follow these simple steps to access your payment history. Step 1. Log into your BigCommerce account. Go to the BigCommerce website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the Store Setup section. Once logged in, find the Store Setup option in the left-hand menu and click on it to expand the options available. Step 3. Select Payments. In the Store Setup menu, look for the Payments option. Click on it to access your payment settings and history. Step 4. Access Payment History. Within the Payments section, locate the Payment History tab. Click on it to view a detailed list of all your past transactions. Step 5. Review your transactions. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily view your payment history on BigCommerce. Regularly checking this information can help you stay organized and informed about your business finances.